Welcome to online classes 9th standard. Today we are discussing lines and angles, angle sum properties. So far we have discussed the theorems and two exercises. Today let us see angle sum property, which you have learnt in your 8th standard. So again you have that theorem for this class. So let us see that theorem and let's go for exercise next. So angle sum property. In angle sum property, what we have to prove: in a triangle, sum of all the angles is equals to 180 degree. We have to prove this. So to prove a triangle has sum of angles is equals to 180 degree, what is required to us? A triangle is required. So let us consider a triangle A B C. So let us consider a triangle A B C. A B C. Let us name this as 1 and this as 2 and this as angle 3. So now here what we have to prove? To prove angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to 180 degrees. We have to prove this here. So next, to prove this we need a construction. So that is construction. Draw a line XY parallel to BC. So we have to draw a line XY parallel to BC. So let us do that now. XY parallel to BC, comma, passing through A, comma, passing through A. You can see that the line XY is passing through point A. So name this, here it made an angle. So name it as 4 and name it as angle 5. Now let us see the proof here. Proof. What is the proof? X, Y is a straight line. So X, Y is a line. So we know that when XY is a line, a straight line measures 180 degree. Therefore, angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 is equals to 180 degrees, isn't it? And what we have, XY is parallel to BC. Therefore, angle 4 is equals to angle 2 and angle 5 is equals to angle 3. From which property? Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Let this name as equation 1. Let us name this as equation 2. Replace in or substitute in equation 1 from equation 2. Substitute in equation 1 from equation 2. So in equation 2 I have angle 4 is equals to angle 2. So instead of 4 I will be writing angle 2 here. So angle 2. Instead of 4 I am writing angle 2. Next, plus angle 1 is angle 1 plus, instead of angle 5 I am writing angle 3 is equals to 180 degree. So see here, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to 180 degree, that we have to prove, and hence we have proved it here. Hence proved. So this completes your angle sum property theorem. Okay, thank you. Let us see the exercise in the next class.